What's up, everybody? It's TheConnect860, back with another quick review. Today we got the Ewing and Mikey Likes It collab, Sports Lite edition. You might have seen the Mikey Likes It 33 high. If you don't got this shoe, make sure you go and scoop it up. Real comfortable shoe, premium quality fabrics. But back to the Sports Lite. So a quick story. So I ordered the Sports Lite the day they were released. Try to get a early jump on it. Tracking as usual said arrive in 2 days. Shoes arrive. I will open the box, and it's 33 high. If you notice here, I got 2 pairs of 33 high. So I contacted Ewing. They were off for the weekend, so first thing Monday morning, my phone rang. It was Ewing. It's customer service rep. Said, I apologize, and for the inconvenience, you get to keep the shoes, and we send you out a new pair. He checked my account history, noticed I was a long-term customer. I mean, I've been rocking with Ewing since they started, you know what I mean? Shout out to the day ones. But anyways, they sent today, 2 days later. Today's Wednesday, they called me on Monday, so Wednesday, today's Halloween, the Sports Lites arrived. And I could tell right away it was the Sports Lite because the box was light, you know what I mean? When these arrived, the box was kind of heavy. I was like, what's in here? You know what I mean? So, it's a win-win. I got 3 scoops. I'm about to double up on these. Definitely double up on these, all right? The sale is going on right now. I didn't want to overdo it, but you gotta double up on these. These is definitely a double up, all right? I already got my double up of the 33 high, so I'm all set there. These is also definitely a double up. Only certain ones are double ups, and these are definitely double ups. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and they also sent me a courtesy pack, 2 packs of socks. I ordered 1 pair to go with those to get the 15% off deal. You know how that goes. But they sent me 2 pairs of socks. All right, so let's get into the shoe. I just want to say outstanding customer service, Patrick Ewing, Ewing Athletics. Shout out to the Ewing Squad 33 group. Make sure you check them out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. TheConnect860. Let's check out this beautiful shoe. I brought them outside, try to get some of that natural light so you can really see what they're like without my photography lights. We got the gum bottom. Now you will notice it's like an off-white cream. So the shoes are not white. It's like an off-white cream. Got your gold satin accents. Got your gum bottom shoelaces, shoe eyelets, whatever you call it. My pool is closed for the season. You got the Mikey Likes It symbol on the tongue. Nice clean tongue right here. Got the gold in the background. Real dope. Alright, so it's like the cone, you know what I mean? Butter pecan. Alright, now on the insole, there we go. On the insole says Leaders of the New Scoop. So that's pretty dope. Be on the lookout. My next shirt will say Leaders of the New Scoop. I think that's a dope concept right there. But back to the shoe. Here's the medial. This is looking good. Sports Lite, real light, comfortable shoe. Definitely contrary to the 33 high, which can be heavy and bulky at times. But I'm 6'4", so I'm used to it. I'm all about the high tops, ankle protection, and all that other good stuff. So you already seen the 33 high, but I'll show it to you again in this natural sunlight. Just a beautiful shoe. Chrome on the back. Premium quality fabrics. Real dope shoe. I'm gonna baby this shoe. Definitely no snow, no rain. You know what I mean? This type of shoe, I check the weather before I put it on. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so that's the 33 high. Back to this Sport Lite. Now, as usual, you know I whip up something custom for it. I made the custom garments before the shoe arrived, just off of pictures and stuff like that. I did pretty good. But I'm gonna do another one to match it up a little bit more exact. You got your foil gold, royal blue background, Patrick Ewing on the hood. Now this matches up exactly. The blue with the blue and the gold with the gold. So this is the color scheme I'm gonna run with in the future. Got a little freaky with the cone here. Got the gum background, gold foil accents around the M, gold M. Mikey likes it right there. Nothing on the back. All right, in the shirt, we got just the M right there and the logo right there. Blue with the gold, which is dope. And on the back, we got the Patrick Ewing with the cone outline or the gum bottom. All right, so I've been stepping up my Sport Lite game. This is the first one I purchased. It's the white gray with the gum bottom. You know what I'm saying? These still crisp. Team dead stock. You know what I mean? I usually double up. One to rock, one to stock. You know what I'm saying? Keep one in the stash. Because you never know. Alright? So then I stepped it up with these. No, actually, I got these first. Alright? So these set it off. Dope shoe. I'm gonna keep these on ice till summer. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna bring these out till summertime. Alright? So these is gonna stay on ice. Then I scoop these up. White with the gum bottom. Still clean. We'll double up on these. I think with the sale, these is gonna be about 50 bucks. Now that I think about it, I could get 2 pair, triple up on these. Cause these are every day. I could wear these anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So, and then I scoop these. So, as you can see, the progression of the Sport Lite, they're definitely stepping it up. I saw a couple of collabs and this, that, and the third, but I really didn't pay attention to them until this one right here. You know what I mean? This is the one that set it off. Once I got it and I realized how light and comfortable they were, I said, okay, any color scheme that goes, I'm gonna scoop. That's the way it goes. Especially with the ice cream, you gotta scoop them, no pun intended. I called Mikey Likes It actually last night. They stay open till midnight. You know what I'm saying? They open at noon and they stay open to midnight. So I was able to contact Mikey Likes It directly last night at about 11 o'clock at night. And we discussed some things or whatever the case may be. So just know, it's full aware, I got the shirts going. You know what I mean? Sometimes don't be afraid to contact these manufacturers and these collabs and everything direct. Real nice people. You know what I'm saying? So once again, it's the TheConnect860. Please like, comment, subscribe. It came in the I'll show the box real quick. The 33 high box comes with those, as well as the Sports Lite. Ewing Sports Lite, Mikey Likes It. Size 14, you know how I do. Please like, comment, subscribe. It's TheConnect860. I'm out.
Catch my eyes like highs, I want your bodily surprise. Double down sometime. Ice cream, you got me falling out like a cripple. I love you like I love my dick size. Ooh, baby, I miss you. Your sweet tender touches take pulls off the Duchess. Orgasm in my mind, stay masturbating your clutches. I want you for self like wealth, so play me closely.